and salty roasted pumpkin seeds. How do we get here? First, we have to carve a pumpkin. We took all the seeds and the guts out of the pumpkin and then made a cool looking jack-o'-lantern. Next, I pulled all the flesh and some of the seeds out to make smoothies. Third, when I mostly had seeds, I was able to rinse the rest of the guts off in a colander. Then I threw them in a towel to dry them, followed by another drying with some paper towels. Put them in a glass bowl, added a tablespoon of butter, sprinkled in some salt, sprinkled in some sugar, then put them in a roasting pan. I set the oven for 350 degrees and they were ready to eat after about 18 minutes. You'll know they're ready when they change to a golden brown. And you'll definitely know they're ready to eat when they're crunchy to the bite. Perfect. When it comes to pumpkin seeds, you can eat the seeds and the shell. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button so more people can watch it. If you've ever thought about buying a gimbal for your phone, I just got this one. Click the subscribe button so you can see me review this on my next video. And if you want to see me make one of these pumpkin smoothies, click the rectangle. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.